This will be a walk around of my 95 Miata with a Acura J32A2 engine swap, and I'm going to try and highlight some of the other modifications. So I have Corbeau Forza Sport seats with the lumbar support, finished in leather. I have an Energy steering wheel with Energy quick release. It does have the V6 Miata transmission. Eclipse eyeball vent swap, pedal covers, have the stiffer door jamb thingamaboobles, black finished hard top. The hard top is attached with fixed braces. Hard dog, a hardcore M2 roll bar, Corbeau 5-point seat belts with cam lock. The trunk is generally sparse. I did put rattle trap down, trying to just get the car a little quieter for street use. "15x9" wheels. There is some curb rash on the passenger side. Tires are 225 45 R15 Hankook RS4s. The tires currently on these wheels are a little on the worn side. You'll probably want to start with fresh rubber next season. It does come with one spare wheel with a sticker tire. And I have a set of seats in case you want to use it for street use. By the way, I do have the OEM seat belts back in here if you want to take the race seats out and run those. And it has the what were originally Boss Frog seatbelt guides to make it easier to use the seatbelt with the roll bar. The ECU is mounted under the dash on the passenger footwell with an OBD2 port. I'll go ahead and throw in my extra OBD link OBD2 reader for the lucky buyer. The passenger airbag still works. Because the steering wheel's been swapped out, the driver's side airbag is no longer connected. I do have the proper resistor in place so the airbag light does not come on. Under the hood, you can see the Acura J32A2 engine. This engine was sourced from a scrapyard with 87,000 miles on it. I have the Minitech custom intake. Stock Miata brake master cylinder, but with the Willwood regulator valve. I did replace the master and slave on the clutch with a flexible line. You can see that running across. The radiator is a Mishimoto 3-core radiator with Mishimoto fans and shroud. The fans are wired in parallel, so they both come on with a computer. I have the crank parts alternator relocation kit installed. So the alternator is now mounted where the AC compressor normally would be. And as you can see, the AC has been removed. And the steering rack has been depowered.